welcome to my first video on the new channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Chroma key in Shotcut video editor. First, create a new project. Okay, once you've made a new project, drag and drop your video. I'm going to just use this random video that I made a long time ago. Okay, now make a new video track. Make the original video on the first track, make the second video above on a higher layer. Okay, drag and drop the Chroma key video in. Then get the Chroma key video, put it on the top layer. You see, when you watch it, all you see is the Chroma key video. So what you do next is go to filters, add a filter to the Chroma key video. Use Chroma key simple. You'll see that on the YouTube video now you have the video in the background with the Chroma key. If the Chroma key has a green line, you can change this bar to fix it. If you go too far, it will start disappearing. If you go too far back, the green will start to show. So get it into a position where it's not low opacity and where it's not got green, where there's just not that much green around the edge. But if you have the perfect Chroma key video, it'll be like mine where there's no green at all. Now you can go export the video and watch it. This is what the video looks like now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.